On today's video, we're cooking steak from Aldi. I think I've only been to Aldi's probably once, but this was a viewer request. Aldi steaks. Word on the street is, these are cage-free steaks. All natural, grass-fed. I guess a fence would be a cage, right? Pasture-raised, cage-free steaks. Kyle said lime cod. I'm not gonna lie, these steaks look really good. They're 4-ounce steaks. And the total price for both of these steaks was $13.56. That's a good price for grass-fed, cage-free beef. Also learned from Wes that Aldi's is actually owned by the same company that owns Trader Joe's, correct? Correct. And came to the US in 1976 from where? Sweden, that way. We got the Weber running. We're gonna run these on the grill gates. I'm gonna hit them, the grill gates, grill grates. Ever since I had that thing, that lump removed from my vocal cord, I talk weird now. It's like I've been drinking. We're gonna rub them with double pepper cow cover course. If you haven't got your hands on this yet, you should, you really should. Try it once. And don't order one bottle, order like 4, because the second it hits the website, it's gone, so stock up. I got my, this is my Dick's Rapid Steel. And yes, that's the name. A lot of people question me, but it says right there, Dick Rapid Steel. I think this is a German company. Get one. These steaks are kind of thin. I'm gonna cook them direct on the grill grates. I'm probably gonna be looking at maybe 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. It's gonna be hot. It is gonna be hot. Now, we've cooked a lot of steaks on this channel. And I'll tell you right now, meat is expensive right now. I just went to the store yesterday, 2 ribeyes, $40. Granted, they were bigger than this. They were not grass-fed. It's crazy. Like I said, I've never shopped at an Aldi's. I've been to one once. I think I had to stop and get something, bananas or something. They feel really good. Look at that. Look at the marbling. It's got a nice lip on it. Aldi's may be on to something here. These actually feel like the steaks when I won the world championship. I remember I picked it up and I swear my fingers touched. And that's what these feel like. They've done a good job with these. I'll give them credit. So like I said, I'm gonna hit these with double pepper cow cover course. But if you don't have any, use whatever you got or use whatever you like. If you're one of those little crazy dudes that salt only, hey man, knock yourself out. Use whatever you like. I'm not going too crazy. These are pretty thin cuts. Now I do have some Kerrygold grass-fed butter that I am gonna brush on the top of these when I flip them. All right, these are gonna be quick cooks, so. Whew. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds. Don't try this at home, I'm a professional. Smoke. That's smoked butter. I made that myself. Smoke your Kerrygold booter. All right, man, look at these. These are looking good. They feel good. That's what I'm talking about. That's some pictures right there. Hey Siri, set a timer for 30 seconds. Here it is. They're both 103. All right, that's okay. This is what you do. Move them babies right over here. Knock them vents down. Now what that does, that starts really trapping that heat in there. Hey Siri, set a timer for 2 minutes. Calling it 2 minutes. They're coming off no matter what. Now we wait. I want to knock these out. Boom, that was 127. These look so good. Oh, they cut like butter. Nailed that like a split hog. Man, there may be something to these, this cage-free beef. $13.
What's it taste like?
Tastes like grass-fed beef. Doesn't taste like a $13 steak. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's no RC Ranch, but, I mean, if you're on a budget, what, here. There you go, you try it. I mean, Aldi's, you got a thumbs up from me. When we talked about this, I was like, I don't know, this could be really bad. This was a good recommendation. If you got any recommendations, leave them down in the comments. I would love to hear them. Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want this recipe right here, head on over to kosmosq.com/recipes, print it off, make it for yourself, and hundreds of other barbecue and grilling recipes. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'd eat at that all day long. We're cooking steaks from Aldi's. Let's get to cooking.
It doesn't have an S on it. On the end.
We're cooking steak from Aldi.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a 20. All right, ready?